Production 1, period 7. Jason DeCanio, John Tashi, Mike Markman, Sean Tops, and Joe Herman.
Hey, I'm hungry.
Let's use the vending machine over there.
What's a vending machine?
It's that machine over there.
Oh. So how do we get the food?
I think we break the glass. You know, like a fire extinguisher.
Okay. Okay, I got this.
What?
Hey, that's not the right way to use a vending machine. I'll show you the right way. All you have to do is put the money in the machine.
This?
That's how you do it. Take this dollar bill and put it in the machine.
Here?
No,
And here.
no.
Oh, here.
Yes.
You done?
No, there's just one more thing.
No!